Humba is a beloved braised pork dish from Cebu, known for its rich, sweet, salty flavor. Originally, isa itong Chinese-Filipino dish influenced by a Fujian Chinese dish na tawagin ay Humba or red braised pork. Ang mga sinaunang Chinese na naninirahan sa Cebu ang nagturo kung paano lutuin ang soy sauce-based recipe na ito. And over time, dinagdagan na lang ito to adjust sa panglasa ng brown sugar, tausi or salted black beans, and dried banana blossoms. Kumpara sa adobo, ang humba ay mas matamis, mas malapot, at palaging hinahain sa mga fiestas, kasalan, birthday, or halos sa lahat ng okasyon. 4 na humba recipes kasama na ang humba style na pagluluto ang nagawa natin dito sa channel natin. Pero this time, we're cooking pato. Yes, you heard it right. Pato humba style. Pero intro muna tayo. Subscribe, like, comment, and share, and click that bell. May adlaw mga kahigalan! Kami ang Wandering Kusina, and this is our first ever video of 2026. Ako si Chakoy.
Si Mark.
Mga ka-wonders, ang lulutuin natin today is
Humba duck.
Humba Humba duck or humba pato or itik. I don't know. Basta pato. Lagi daw itik. Bibe. Alright. This duck came from China. Talaga literal, this is an imported duck. Ang laki niya. Makikita niyo na in a while. And then this is a gift from Ma'am Jovi of Kabayan Gourmet. Daghang salamat. Maraming salamat, Ma'am. And eto, lulutuin na natin ang ating humba duck kasi ang mahal ng itik na to kung bibilhin mo sa labas. Napakalaki niya at saka this is a prime quality duck. Here's how we made our humba pato or sweet stewed duck. Let's start by slicing the duck. This is more than a kilo at nakita nyo naman ang ganda ng texture ng balat at karne. First time nating magluto ng pato sa channel natin. So now we are going to slice it into parts. Usually, may pagkamatigas ang karne ng pato, especially ang balat. Kaya kailangan natin itong palambutin. Dahil first time natin makaluto na imported na pato, we'll add some ginger to ensure na walang anggo, just to be on the safe side. Let's add water on our pressure cooker and then add the sliced duck parts, and then let's add 4 teaspoons of salt para pampalasa. And allow natin to cook under pressure for 5 minutes of whistle sa pressure cooker. 5 minutes is up, and I know masarap na tignan ang sabaw, but we have to drain it and throw away the sabaw. And set aside natin ang boiled duck meat. In a separate container, pour 3 cups of pineapple juice, 1 cup of soy sauce, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Mix until sugar melts, and we will adjust the taste later. Maglagay lang tayo na approximately 5 tablespoons of oil, and let's allow it to heat up. Pag mainit na, ilagay na natin ng herbs and spices sa version ng humba namin ito. Maglagay ng less than 10 pieces of whole garlic, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 star anise, and around 1 tablespoon of whole peppercorn. Mix until the scents come out, and then put in 3 sliced onions. Mix for a minute. And then put in 3 bay leaves and chili as an option. Normally, wala talagang sili ang humba, but in this version, we want to add some kick into it. Continue stirring the spices until the onions become translucent.
Humut kayo.
Add the duck meat and stir for a minute until the duck meat is well coated with the herbs and spices. And then add the pineapple juice, soy sauce, and brown sugar mixture. And then add the pineapple slices. Depending on the dry banana blossoms you buy, this one kailangan naming hugasan dahil it was soaked in a powdered substance, probably to keep it from withering fast. Once done, add the blossoms and mix ulit ng 1 minute. Allow it to simmer for around 3 minutes and taste to adjust. Give it a final gentle mix para hindi na mas lalong malasong pa, and it is ready to serve. Finally, we will get to taste a different version of how humba is cooked and our main ingredient, which is the pato. Now, kakain na tayo. So let's taste our humba pato or sweet stewed duck.
Lambot.
Wow. Wow. Ang lambot. Super tender. Yung karne niya looks like pork, pero ang texture niya pork.
Texture niya is pork, yes.
Yung sauce, achieve siya. So, eto, it's a perfect combination of sweetness and a little bit
Sourness.
a slight, a hint of sourness dahil sa pineapple. Although sweet na rin yung pineapple, di ba? But it has always that hint of sourness, konti. And the herbs and spices na nilagay natin na humbang-humba talaga siya. So if you like this recipe mga ka-wonders, gawin nyo na to, i-follow nyo to. And it's so easy. Kung may pato, maraming pato sa Pilipinas.
Hindi lang naman pwede pato, pwede rin yung ibang itik or something.
Ano ba kaibahan ng itik sa pato?
Itik, itim. Yung pato, puti.
Sa amin, sa Cebu, maputi, maitom, or maanong kulay, may brown or kung yung different kulay, itik ng tawag sa amin. Wala kaming pato. Tagalog lang yung pato. Nagbibisaya kasi yung itik.
So mga wonders, this is our first recipe sa
2026!
2026.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Wondering Kusina mga ka-wonders. At i-follow nyo na yan, subscribe, and then like this video, comment, at saka share nyo na rin. And kung gusto nyo ng recipe idea for your business and for handaan, you can make use of this humba itik, humba pato, or sweet stewed duck. Wow, pinasosyal namin. Kami ang Wondering Kusina! Daghan kayong salamat sa pagtanaw. So this is our recipe compilation videos. Thank you for watching. Ako si Chakoy.
Ako si Mark.
Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Amping mo! Ha?
Red meat.
Pero ano? Parang talaga siyang baboy. No?
Cholesterol ba yung pato?
Ha?
Na-cholesterol ba?
I think lesser siya sa cholesterol if I'm correct. Research natin yan. Tignan natin.